Kernel Company's new product, NetGen, is an intelligent software technology to automate the routing of network engineering in buildings. NetGen software, a plugin for AutoCAD, enables users to work the engineering tasks through an intuitive GUI. The following demonstrates how NetGen is utilized for a project of running a network cabling system. First, a blueprint of the building is opened in AutoCAD, and then load the NetGen plugin. Then, we enter netload into the command line and browse through the plugin files. After NetGen is loaded, you can see the Tools panel in two windows. These two windows show on one hand the object tree and the properties of the given project. At the beginning of designing with NetGen, you need to create a layer where the network routing will be established, cable channels, pipes, and so on. When creating the layer, you can set properties like the radius of the peaks, width of the edges, and colors of various elements. Next, you define the possible places of the network branching by selecting the Node tool and arranging the branching points on the plan of the building. In the next step, you connect the branch points with a grid of possible locations for network routing. NetGen's special tool allows you to even connect the nodes automatically. You run the tool and select the item that allows one to connect all network nodes in the horizontal and vertical. Then you set the accuracy with which the line may deviate from the horizontal or vertical direction. Next, you need to define the outlet locations. This is accomplished in a new layer for outlets and cables. As soon as you have created the layer, you can locate outlets in the already set nodes of the primary network. Each outlet has its corresponding properties. For example, you can set the size, weight, and color. Then you choose a specific outlet and define it to be the router switch. After that, you either manually connect the outlets to the router or switch, or use NetGen's automated function. The display now shows the network topology and all the connections. NetGen finds and obtains an optimal network structure based on its built-in algorithm of optimization as a function of capital costs optimization. You can remove unnecessary elements, such as unused nodes and unused cable channels, for further optimization. On this display, you can enter the algorithm. At this point in time, the algorithm has finished the optimization, found the minimal network structure by capital costs, and calculated the total cost. On this final display, you not only can see the network topology, but also the final network structure where every cable is put into cable channels. When clicking on a cable, you can see the cable tracing and its length as well. NetGen has a tree of objects where you can see all the objects currently on the network. Additionally, NetGen has incorporated functions for network analysis. For example, you can determine the network load of each route by using a special tool called or labeled capacity. You see the network painted in colors from red to green. The red cable channels are almost full, and the green channels still have space for cables. We can see how many cables are set into a specific cable channel. We plan to release a beta version of NetGen in December 2012 and release NetGen itself in March 2013. Thank you for your attention.